Hello everyone. Karma is a concept that is found in Hinduism, Buddhism and other Eastern religions. It dates back to approximately 700 BC. Karma literally means action, deed or work and is described as the law of cause and effect. It is said that good deeds bring favorable results while bad deeds have a negative effect. Every action we perform has a reaction either in this life or in a future birth. Have you ever reflected on your own personality and that of your relatives and friends and observed how it differs with each person? And have you ever pondered on the things you crave for, or the things that makes you happy, or about the things that makes you jealous or agitates you? Have you ever thought about why some people, when performing their duties in life, go about it in a pleasant manner, while others do things reluctantly and others do things without caring about the consequences of their actions? From this it seems that there is a certain degree of torment in our minds that comes from our actions, our desires and our misfortunes. And as a result of this, we all experience a certain level of suffering in this life due to our unsettled mind. One should take note that in some cases a person's action may not be deliberately done, hence it is regarded as neutral. What is encouraging is that we can change the direction of our lives by performing acts of goodness for future results. Karma Yoga, or selfless actions, is one of the paths to liberation. Whatever good deeds you perform, do it with kindness and do not crave for any earthly or heavenly rewards. It is also said that whatever you do, whatever you eat, whatever you offer, whatever you give, and whatever austerities you perform, do it all as an offering to the Supreme. I believe that life is a bittersweet journey from infancy to old age, in which our physical bodies will one day cease to exist. In this life, we are going to witness the passing away of an older generation and the coming of a new one. To many, it is an ongoing cycle of birth, death and rebirth, in which we are all given a series of chances from one life to the next to strive for self-improvement and for the betterment of all. The accumulation of bad deeds keeps us chained to the cycle of birth, death and rebirth, while the accumulation of good karma eventually liberates us from the cycle. We do not know the results of our past actions, because if we did, we will all be pointing fingers at one another about our past wrongdoings. Karma is not about punishing someone for their wrongdoings, but it is a law that reminds us about the consequences of our actions and one that encourages us to live a peaceful and respectable life. In closing, the doctrine of karma is complex, and I would encourage you to listen to the views of others who try to give meaningful answers. You can gather some insight about the doctrine of reincarnation by watching my other video titled, "What is the Soul? Hear the Divine Answer." In closing, I would like to thank you for listening.